Whenever someone says the rich shouldn't pay higher taxes, there's a simple question nobody answers. If not the rich, then who? This isn't about envy. It's not about punishing success. It's about logic, incentives, and how modern economies actually work. Every society needs money to function. Roads, schools, healthcare, courts, safety, national security. None of these are free. So again, if the rich shouldn't pay more, should the poor? Or the shrinking middle class? The most common defense is this: don't tax the rich, they create jobs. But here's what often gets ignored. Those jobs primarily benefit the owners, not the workers. Wages stay flat, profits rise, productivity goes up, and most of the gains flow upward. And let's be honest about the future. If a company can replace workers with robots or AI tomorrow, it will. Not out of evil, but out of incentives. Jobs are not charity. They exist only as long as they're profitable. Meanwhile, wealth concentration keeps accelerating. The rich accumulate more assets, more capital, more leverage, while the majority struggles to keep up with basic costs. And yet tax rates on extreme wealth remain mostly unchanged. Everyone benefits from shared world, but only some contribute proportionally. And when the distribution doesn't scale up with benefits, the system destabilizes.
The poor can't pay more. They already spend nearly everything they earn just to survive. The middle class already carries a heavy burden, not because they're targeted, but because their taxes are the hardest to avoid. Most middle-class taxes come from consumption and wages, value-added taxes, sales taxes, income taxes, paid automatically every month. These taxes hit income before wealth has any chance to grow. The wealthy, on the other hand, earn primarily from capital and profits can be delayed, shifted, reinvested, optimized. So while the middle class pays consistently, the richest often pay selectively. That's why the question isn't emotional, it's structural. The group that benefits most from stability, infrastructure, legal systems, and global markets is also the group best positioned to contribute more, without destabilizing their lives.
The real myth isn't that taxing the rich hurts growth. The myth is believing a society can survive when wealth keeps rising to the top, while responsibility doesn't. This isn't about left or right. It's about math, incentives, and long-term stability. If you want more episodes that challenge popular myths with logic, subscribe.